So back to the comfort zone, but this time with a motor and a sail and a bunch of fishing stuff and my foot. Today we're sailing away. Now we're on the sea. So with this guy, he tried to be fast, but you cannot be faster than this. Motor and a sail. Yeah, are you tired? No. Too soon, Junior. Too soon, Junior. Oh, this is some high sea movement. Okay, let's get our heading right. Copper? Let's wait for Benny. Hey, how's your leg, guys? How's your leg? You guys tired yet?
No, I'm using the motor.
Oh my god. Cheater, not cheater, extra cheater. So big swell day. Just look at our friends Nasco and Benny, see how much they're moving, and interval's very short, about 5 seconds per swell. But it's not bad, it's not too bad. So today the whole purpose is trying to sail and motor at the same time. It saved me a lot of energy. I don't even feel tired. And got this spin lock thing installed to make my life easier. And see if we catch some fish today, but that's not a big objective. Freezer's still full. On the way back, hopefully we'll catch a good wind. Look, I do got a fish. First fish on this jig. Hey, Nasco, you know why you're not catching fish today? You're freaking eating banana. What? Oh, yeah, I'm on. See what happened when you don't eat banana? Probably something small. Oh. Well, yeah, you're eating banana, that's why you're not getting fish. You have like a bait in the water. You know, Benny's getting fish, Anthony's getting fish. I just got bit, but yeah, this is what happened. You don't listen. Ooh. Yeah, and I got a fish. It's a small one, but still it's a fish, okay? Yeah. That's what happened when we eat banana. Let's change spot, guys. This is why we don't eat banana when we're fishing. Look how beautiful this is. Double hook.
You only listen to me that I'm sad. You were not thrown on top of it.
It's not my fault, it's the current.
Yeah.
Wait, let some line out. So heading back, riding this minimum amount of wind and heavy swell. Today so far is a good day.